Hi, in the previous video we learned how to leave a backdoor in the target machine. In this video we are going to learn advanced level hacking, scanning hosts with Python script. So in this video we are going to take a look at why you need Python for solving cybersecurity issues, run Python script to scan our target host, modify Python script for even more precise scanning. I am often asked, is it possible to become a security specialist or penetration testing without knowing Python language? The answer is yes, but if you want to become a real professional in cybersecurity field, you need to know Python, because it gives you a lot of advantages. For example, first of all, you understand better what is under the hood, and so sharpen your professional mindset. And mindset is the most powerful weapon of a security specialist. Also, you can act more flexibly and precisely. And what is especially interesting, you can run security testing without special software. Sometimes all you need to provide a penetration test is your computer with Python pre-installed and console. And this is enough to do a lot of penetration testing stuffs. And I've got a really good news for you. You don't need a black belt in programming to use Python for solving security issues. Python is huge and multi-purpose language. And to use this wonderful language in cybersecurity field, it's enough to know the basics of the language and some special modules and libraries. So let's go practical. And let me show you how to scan a network with Python script. As you can see, I've got two Python files here on my desktop. Now let's go and run them. To run a Python file in our Kali terminal, first we need to go to the directory where the file is located. I've got my files on desktop, so let's go there, cd, desktop. Here we've got Python files. Let's run one of them now. To do it, I must type Python and next the name of the file. Let's run it, enter. It's asking me to enter a target name. This is my Metasploitable machine IP address, so I type it here. You type the address of yours Metasploitable machine, click enter. And as you can see here, it executed the scanning of ports of my Metasploitable 2 machine just in seconds. Here you can see the ports of Metasploitable 2 that are opened now. Now let's go and explore the code of the file. First of all, I've imported this two module for my file. Socket module is the module that lets us to provide connection between client and server. And the data module is for date and time, actually as it sounds. Then I set input for the target. Here the user should type the address of the target. Then our scanner output the sign now working, wait for results, and our target IP. The next lines show us scan is begun. Don't take into attention this line for now. I'll come back for it a bit later. This line of codes make our attacking machine to try to connect to the target machine. And if the connection is successful, it outputs a port number and sign it's opened. And this line shows us the time when the scanning was finished. And outputs the result on our screen. So, as you can see here, just few lines of code let us to make quick scans of target ports. But that's not all. We can make our scanning even more fast and precise. Let me show. For this purpose, we should make some changes in our code. First of all, I make this line of my code active. Yes. And we should change this one also. So, what is changed? Let's run the code and see. So, we save it and go back to our console and run the code again. Enter the target. Now, as you can see, there is a less ports of our target machine is shown. Why? Because now our scanner is scanning only the ports we have chosen. So you can easily and quickly change the parameters of your scanning by making change in your Python script. This is the flexibility and power of Python. And in the next sections, we'll go deeper with Python scripts. So, in this video, we found out why you need Python for solving cybersecurity issues. Run Python script to scan our target host. Modified Python script for even more precise scanning. And now it's the end of section 2. In this section, we learn how to scan hosts and networks with Nmap, OpenVAS, and Python scripts. Got to know how traffic can be sniffed with Wireshark and Bettercap. Discover diversity of dangerous browser attacks with Beef. In the next section, we will discover how website and web applications can be attacked. Let's move ahead.